What's up, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm opening up 6 packs of My Hero Academia Hero Clash, trying to hit. Honestly, I would love a Chrome Rare. I don't know what the pull ratio is on that, but Varnished Steel, Like the Wind, Honorable Feat, Catching a Ride, Vocal Discord, Be Wild. We have a USJ, Sudden Appearance, Varnishing Snare. We have a Energy Boost, Ultra Rare, Nice. So one Ultra Rare so far. It's not actually that bad. I also would love a really good XR, one of the extra rares. Water Pump, Successful Result, Feeling Cute, Exoplasm Clone, Sports Festival Champ, Tail, Can't Escape Me, Battle Arena. We have a Proud Scorn. We have a Nullify, whoops, I don't know why I'm doing a Nullify Rare. These are first editions, which, if for those who don't know, you can only get the Chrome Rares in first edition. There are no Chrome Rares in second. And if you do hit a Chrome Rare, they are numbered out of 100. I don't know how many Chrome Rares there are. I don't know if I'm ever actually going to hit one. Blue Flame, Pale Strike, Snack Time, Frozen Slash, Tentacle Strike, Woody Shopping, Kaijo. We have a rare Talented Baker rare. Let's see, is it easier? No. Okay. Swift Cross, All Worked Up, Spirited Referee, Indetained, Idle Work, Sticky Ball Wall. I hate that character so much. They could literally remove him from the anime and I would not care. Ooh, we have a Focused Attack, Ultra Rare, so 2 Ultra Rares. No XR yet, which kind of surprised me a little bit. But we managed at least to get 2 decent things. Forceful Blow, Like the Wind, Watching from a Distance, Basic Training, Dream of Glory, Vocal Discord, Below, Sudden Appearance. We have a rare, and we do have an XR. What does that mean, XRC? Is that a common they're saying now? We do have that, and interesting that they're saying XRC now. I guess that might be a common. If so, that does suck a little bit, though we managed to only hit a common version. But let's see, we have Cool and Tough, Trap Flex, Shadow Age, Male Bonding, Catching a Ride, Tape Blast, Engine Trouble, Black Hole Void, Hype Man, and we have a One with Nature. But let's see. Let me grab these. We did manage to hit 2 Ultra Rares and a Blue Flame Palm Strike Extra Rare. But that's going to be it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.